I'll put comments from here.
Hello, I'm back again on popular demand. So this is Vamsi Krishna going live for the first time on his own account. I was live on Vedant's account a while back, and people wanted to see me on my account. So yeah, that's kind of cool. And I'm done with the NSEMs. Woohoo! So NSEMs are done, and horrible 2 weeks. And I got a view. I got a view. Yes, my first view. And Vedant, someone is watching. Thank you, Vedant. By the way, he's right now in the room, so that's so much of information. Just hold on for a second, Mama. Can you just mute it, please? It's getting recorded, Mama.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And I've got a lot of views. Oh, that's nice. So yes, my NSEMs are done. 2 weeks of too much fight, and I thank Shubham Bajaj for teaching me, for motivating me to do well in the NSEMs. And I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, all the elders, Vedant specifically, Shubham, and all my well-wishers, fans, and haters that I did my NSEMs well. So now that I'm done, I'm too much at peace and bored in life. So I've started this. Yo, bro! Saurabh Sinha, yo, bro! Heyman, thank you for watching. Lel, why you doing this vote of thanks shit? Mama, this is like. I don't know what to speak, so I'm just thanking everyone that my exams are over. Oh, I remember Yuda Saurabh. Of course, I remember Yuda Avanti Fields. And Sabyasachi. Oh, Sabyasachi is watching. Mama, I know you're from Orissa. So I got right this time. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, Anjani. I'm telling you, you're the only one in the entire world who feels this is nice. Because nobody ever does and nobody ever will. Hey, Bhatta Arnab, you're watching. Hello. Congrats on getting your degree, whatever that dance wala. Nice stuff. If you're so witty, get me biryani from Supriya. Mama, I don't go to get biryani for others. Never did that as a freshie. And you are a fucking Gen Sec da. You can get it from all your Tapti juniors. Get it done like that. Hi bro, yeah, hi Arnab. Oh my god, Ramya is watching.
Oh my god. What's happening? Wait, guys, this is a public forum, dude.
Yeah. Okay, so. Oh, Sai Malvika. Oh my god, it's been long since we even talked. So nice. Yeah, so. Done with my 5th semester. It was not very easy, but I liked it, kind of liked it. Socialized a lot. Oh yeah, Bragadish, day, dot. Thank you for the extra full stop. Oh yeah, I'm coming down. Chill. Just kind of hyper that NSEMs are done, and I don't know, I'm quite hyper right now. Yeah, play it cool. Yeah, play it cool. Sure. Hey Rishika, hi. So yeah, the semester wasn't very easy, but thanks to
all the failed assignments and projects. If you
bro,
if you know what I mean.
Ashutosh. Come on, yeah, Ashutosh, yeah, please. It's a public forum. So, hi Rishika, hi. How are you? I know you're cool. So you're good. Ashutosh, भाई, public forum है यार. मतलब मेरी माँ Facebook पे है बे. कुछ तो please comment ठीक से मार. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm in Vedant Somani's room, and it's a room full of wisdom and too much of I don't know, intellect in this room. He's in CS. This is 9-pointer who doesn't mug but scores. We all have that friend, I know. What's happening? Well, nothing. I'm just trying out Facebook Live. That's all. It's just an experiment. I don't know. I'm just bored, so I want to try something new. I just took live. Just wanted to see how it goes. So I don't know. It's fine, I guess. Fan request, sing a song. Okay, please get me that room. Ashutosh, even your room is equally intellectual, because even your room is a room which has 9.9 pointer in that. So yeah, sing bro. Oh yeah, I'm going ahead. I only know one song. That's this song from Race, which I keep singing again and again because it's the only song I know. So very bad at it, but yeah. पहली नजर में कैसा जादू कर दिया, तेरा बन बैठा है मेरा जिया, जाने क्या होगा क्या होगा क्या पता, इस पल को मिलके आज ही ले जरा, मैं हूँ यहाँ तू है यहाँ, मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा. Okay, I'm done with the song, and Vedant Bhaiya is not in the room right now, so once he comes back, he'll be in the camera. Dance not happening, not at all happening. Dance is very difficult, dude. Yo, Insti के आतिफ असलम. Oh, thanks bhai. मतलब sarcasm पता है लेकिन thanks बोलना पड़ता है. Dance नहीं हो रहा बे. तू 3 बार बोल, 2 बार बोल, 1 बार बोल, dance नहीं हो रहा. तो where is Vedant? Yeah, Vedant is outside. He's busy with a call. When he's back, I'll just bring him in. आंखें खोलो. ओ या ओके. बहुत अजीब लग रहा है यार, मतलब थोड़ा डरावना लगेगा. बेटर कि आंखें हाफ बंद हो. फील एंड ऑल ब्रो. अरे वो फील ही तो है, वरना सुर कहाँ है मेरा. डांस मामा प्लीज. मामा ऋषभ, आई एम टेलिंग यू डा, आई कांट डांस, सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट. यू डोंट वांट टू वॉच दैट हॉरर. क्लैप्स. ओ थैंक्स मैन, थैंक्स. रिवील योर सीक्रेट क्रश. I don't have any secret crush, so kind of goes. You rock, bro. Thanks, man. Bagadish, you rock too. You're cool. 153, right? 153. Sarcasm कहाँ है भाई? Bro, तूने मेरे को आतिफ असलम बोला, ठीक है? सबको पता है sarcasm था. Rushi Rokkad. Oh, Rushi Rokkad is watching. Nice. Have you been? How have you been, man? Remember me? Vignesh, of course, dude. You are the tall guy, right? Singapore mein, I think. Of course I remember you, man. We guys had some amazing summers together playing cricket. Hey Tamrakar, posting founder is here. Yes, Tamrakar is watching the video. Vishirokar, haha. भाई तेरा ओवर कैसे गया? 9 मार दिया क्या? इस बार भी यस पक्का ना? शरद शंकर. Hey Sharath, how are you da? I hope your life is good in NIT. Marry me please. Mama, no marriage for the next 8 to 10 years. So that is done. Or I'll do it here. No, it's a public forum. No, we're not supposed to reveal secrets here. So your crush is watching you. Samyak here. Okay, my crush is watching me. Hey, no crush da, chill. Hi Sharath, what's up? Let's not talk about me. You're the shiz here. Bro, you are the real shiz, bro. तूने एक सेमेस्टर में 34 क्रेडिट्स किए. आशुतोष झा, यू आर स्टड मैक्स ब्रो. तू CS और मैकेनिकल दोनों डिग्री साथ में कर रहा है, और CS में ऐप भी करेगा विद 9 पॉइंटर, मतलब स्वैग बे. ऋषि रोकर, अभी स्वैग तेरा है OR क्लास में, अभी तो बस जन बकचोदी कर रहा हूँ मैं. ओके, सम्यक इज नॉट योर क्रश. आई नो सम्यक इज नॉट माई क्रश. भाई क्या ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ थी. वंशी, आई एम वॉचिंग योर वीडियो. डज दिस मीन यू कैन सी मी? ओ अखिल, आई कांट सी यू, but I can see your comment and I can see that you are watching the video. Hey, Vishnu is here. Mallu, nice to have you on board. Why is everyone commenting Samyak? Like, what happened suddenly? Samyak bro, मतलब क्या हो गया suddenly? क्या 2 degrees? Who? Oh, there is a guy called Ashutosh Jha, a very good friend of mine. So he's in mechanical, but he does insane CS stuff. So he has done all the courses in CS and mechanical, and he's going to do an MS in CS and going to go great heights. So that's Ashutosh. Not bad, bro. Still playing often? No macha, I stopped playing. I don't know, maybe college life, engineering, IIT, I don't know what happened, but I'm no longer playing cricket. The last time I played cricket was in first year, maybe from 2 years back. Okay, so say a few lines for your crush and I shall leave the forum. Okay, there's no crush, so there are no few lines to be said. Okay, I can say it's imaginary, not real, doesn't exist. Yeah. Vedant could do guest appearance. Arey, Vedant is not in the room. So many people asking for Vedant. I'll just get him once he's here. Where is my earlier comment? Amma, it's there. Just you need to scroll up and you can find it. Yeah. सम्यक. भाई प्रतीक क्या हो गया भाई? पता है सम्यक ठीक है. क्यों कमेंट कर रहे हैं सम्यक बार. Girish is watching. Yeah, I know man. The guy is really cool. He's done some really awesome stuff. Okay, Mama, can you sing a Tam song? Request from all the second years in this room. Okay, who are the second years in the room? Like, tell me the second years in the room. I think I can put a Tam song. I don't know. I don't sing Tam songs. I only know one song, like I said. Who are the second years, macha? Rishabh. अब समझे. क्या समझे? Random. Okay, so so right now I'm just liking all the comments because I customary like तो बनता है. तो आप लोगों ने कमेंट किया है तो एक लाइक तो बन जाएगा. So Kiridhar, I knew it da. You will tag Rupesh Kumar. Yeah da, Kolaveri D will come. Okay, Kolaveri da. I don't know. Thanks for tagging Rupesh. Giridhar. I'm not leaving the forum and I'm gonna leave the name. No, there's no name, so that's fine. Sing. अरे bro, अभी तो गाना गाया. Definitely. पहले देखने दे. Okay, XY is there. Samyak is there. Rishabh is there. Okay. Kodana Kodi song. No, Kodana Kodi. I don't know that song. I mean, Kodana Kodi. साकेत भी इधर है भाई. साकेत तू देख रहा है मतलब धन्य हो गया यार. मैं तो भाई सही है. Macha, you tagged Rupesh again and again. Giridhar, are you in love with Rupesh? Hey, hi Deepali. Hi. Oh, actually on your request only I make some कर रहा हूँ. Tell your fans about CV. Mama, there is nothing in CV. I was in a Fiji section. So there's a Fiji section in CV. So that's like we're like the nerds thrown out of the school. So the mainstream school doesn't even consider us to be a part of their group. So I don't really think I had any chance in CV. Yeah. Giridhar Sriram Ashutosh Jha. Mama, he's already there. He's seen the video. So why are you tagging him now? Again you tag Ashutosh Jha. Giridhar, what's wrong with you da? Arpan Paul. Okay. Down. You can sing that. No. I can't sing that song. I don't know. I don't know that song. I know the song. It's epic, but I don't know the lyrics. By Hindi khatam kar. Say macha, that you commenting in Hindi, like showing your irony or something like that. Alright, dad is watching now. Oh, hello sir. Namaste. I hope you're good. Obviously, as usual, you're rocking. And दीपाली को स्पेशल हाय. साकेत, अबे ये ले साकेत, तेरे लिए भी स्पेशल हाय. मैं तो बोला कि तू, मैं धन्य हूँ कि तू वीडियो देख रहा है यार. We want Dur live. Vamsi, please request. Yes, on the request of Ashutosh Jha, in fact the entire Insti, I sincerely request Giridhar Sriraman to go live. I'm pretty sure Macha, if you go live, Insti will go crazy. People will be watching it and it will become the most viral video on campus. Ha. Thanks Verpan, comment mara. Pratik Bhindwar. Sriraman Tamil Teriyadada. What? I didn't get the comment though. Okay. I don't even have bandwidth. No, I don't know what you said, but okay. Oh, Praveen is here, and if Praveen is here, so Naveen should be here in some time, and Vishal is also. No, Vishal won't be online right now. Yeah. So, like I said, I am going online for the first time. Actually, I went online on Vedant's profile. You can go check that out on Vedant Somani's profile. But that was more like I was just, I don't know, very energetic and talking in some fake accent, it seems. This is more like an attempt to go online properly, and yeah, I'm online. I'm doing this because my exams are done and I'm quite free now. I won't be from tomorrow because I'm a super coordinator in Shastra Evolve, one of the finest departments of Shastra, and we'll have work sessions from tomorrow onwards. It's going to be really fun, hectic, but it'll be fun because I just love working for Evolve, and we all do. It's a very nice family, and so tomorrow 11 o'clock my work starts. So till then I'm kind of free maybe. Yeah, so I'm doing this. Weren't you supposed to go for a movie? No, like I said, there is no crush, so there's no going to a movie with her. But yep, I'll be going to Dear Zindagi on this Friday with my friends. Vedant has booked the tickets. Oh no, actually Kaushik booked the tickets. Love Evolve, it seems. Yep, I love Evolve. Evolve is definitely one of the best things that's happened to me in Insta life, and obviously I have feels, so just love doing the work. Thanks for this, da. We were all getting bored. This was the best thing so far this day. Thanks, bro, Rishabh, and the entire group sitting there. I know I've entertained you guys. Maybe you guys are laughing at me. That's fine. I mean, entertainment is good for everyone. So yep. Always keep smiling. Sure. Comment हाँ sure क्या रे, सही तो बोल रहा हूँ. Avanti and Evolve are the best two things that happened to me after coming to Insta in terms of work. Please no. Okay bye. हाँ okay bye. Okay bye. That's like traditional way of you saying something. आदित्य सिंह इज वॉचिंग. ओह नाइस. सुमित भैया कांग्रेस किस बात के लिए? मैं तो बस ऑनलाइन गया हूँ, अभी भी वेट कर रहा हूँ. आपको इस पिक्चर में रोल दोगे तो रेडी हूँ करने के लिए अभी. थैंक्स फॉर द एंटरटेनमेंट. नो प्रॉब्लम्स Pragadish, always willing to entertain people. As long as I don't become the laughing stock, I'm fine. I hope you guys have fun watching this. Smile once, Vamsi. Macha, I can't smile. Okay, this is theory because I can't smile because I have this bunny teeth. So what happens if when I smile, it looks very artificial. But I can laugh. Yeah, like, this is what more looks good, I guess. For getting ensems done. Oh, okay, yeah. अरे congrats क्या यार, मैं कुछ भी करता नहीं भी करता ensems निकलना ही था. Okay, explain Insti. Okay. For all the Janta not from IIT, Insti refers to institute or IIT Madras. Yeah. So when I say I'm in Insti, I mean I'm in IIT Madras or I'm in the campus. Greetings from Alak. Thanks for the entertainment. Alaknanda, love the hostel. My civil BTech Janta are there. Mech BTech Janta are there. So it's a cool place. And the first point of contact for me in campus was AVK, Aditya Vamsi Krishna. He's from Alak as well. So kind of cool. Pakka next time you are the main lead. Oh भैया thank you. Main lead का पता नहीं, बस रोल दे दो. ठीक है. तो देखते हैं. मेरे को तो बस मज़े करने हैं, सीखना है आपसे बस. Okay, so so since the comments have stopped coming, I have to reiterate again. This is Vamsi Krishna going live for the first time. Since the ensems are done and I am quite free in life, so I am just doing this. And the views are slowly going down. Yep, I have 11 views or 12 views now. Oh, Ilavasan is watching. Hi Daila. Oh, Macha, congrats on that Dhoni picked up. You made everyone so jealous online. Nice stuff, nice stuff. And yep, so you guys can I think most of your ensems are done as well. All the IIT Janta, I think your ensems are done. And but someone reacted to the video. Yeah, someone reacted. Anyway, hey Catherine, how are you? It's been very long since we met actually. We haven't talked, I guess. So yeah, nice. Shreya Swaminathan Harita. Oh yeah, thanks for tagging her, Rohini. Good stuff. Bye. Hari Ramachandran. Oh, thanks for tagging Hari as well. Obviously, I wanted Hari to comment or at least watch this video. Macha, watch and please to put comments because you have the experience of going live. So Hari, he's in metallurgy. He has gone live for Shastra. That video is there on Shastra's Facebook page. He went live for Accessibility Summit. When we went and did an event in Besanagar Beach to raise awareness about differently abled and to make the world more accessible. So beard looks cool, man. Thanks, man. So this is like my exam look. Since I have to show people that I'm studying well for the exams, I don't have time to shave and all. So I do this like I don't have to shave. Yeah. Rohini JS, is he the one you were talking about? Okay. Maybe, I don't know. Rohini should answer this question. Acha bro, chalta hu. This was awesome, bro. Keep rocking. Thanks, man, Arnab. Nice talking to you. Keep in touch now that we have got back together. As in, we're meeting more often now than before. So, cool. Milte hain. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Bye. Oh, that was nice. Ramya Vijayram. See, I've tagged Ramya, but then she's already watching the video. She's seen the video. So, yep. Nihal Chaudhary. Hey, Nihal. Kaisa hai bhai? Okay, you're still watching me. Nice. Hey, Nihal. Kaisa hai bhai? अच्छा मतलब I don't know, it's been long again. कब मिले थे पिछली बार? समर में क्या? हाय ब्रो, लुकिंग कूल. प्रकाश कुमार. हाय प्रकाश, कैसे पढ़ रहा है? पढ़ाई कैसी है तेरी? आई दिल्ली. हाँ सही है भाई. मतलब तुम लोग को देख के फील आती है, याद आता है कि अवंती में कितने अच्छे काम किए थे. हाँ, अरे आई एम स्टिल लाइव. Yep, always Avanti feels. Thanks man, thanks. हालांकि मैं जानता हूँ I'm not looking cool right now. दाढ़ी बहुत बढ़ गई है, बाल भी ठीक से अरेंज नहीं है. But I know, आप लोग का प्यार. Okay. Hi, hey Nihal. मिलते हैं भाई. विंटर हमारा वेकेशन टाइम है. अभी शुरू हुआ आज से वेकेशन. जनवरी 10 तक होगा तो फ्री हूँ. विल श्योर कैच अप. I don't know. Balram Ganesh is watching. Nice. Nice dude. So this was my first live and I don't think I'm doing bad. Probably I can improve, reduce energy maybe. But again, I don't know. Okay, so I'm bored. So let me reveal. No, there's nothing to reveal. No, it's like, what will you reveal? So chill. Like, बोर होने के लिए क्या है मतलब. if you're bored, just go to the next post or something like that. It's fine. Yeah. Okay, Vineet, Rohini, are you like on this task of tagging everyone? You tagged Shreya, you tagged Hari, now Puneet also is in the game. Who else is remaining? Like, so go on tagging. I'm fine. It's just that when they come online to see this, they'll be too tired to watch the entire video, so they won't want to watch the entire video, so there's no point, I guess, tagging them. But what I'm shocked is Kaushik has not yet seen or liked the video. Quite strange because Kaushik GV is always online. Like, even if it's morning 1 a.m. or afternoon 3 p.m, he's always online. Rohini, JS, don't make it so obvious da. Okay. I tagged Ramya Vijayaram also. Yup, I saw that you tagged her and you tagged Shreya and you tagged Vineet, Puneet and Hari. So sure, entertain करो फिर. हाँ, I've tried to entertain till now. अभी थोड़ा stagnant हो गया है. This video का phase आता है ना, मतलब पहले energy इतना high था, फिर थोड़ा कम हुआ तो people started watching and it went up again. अभी it's stagnating ना, 16 views, comments भी इतने नहीं आ रहे, तो अभी थोड़ा mild है. I don't know. I can't do any comedy right now because I'm not ready with any act. I mean, next time maybe when I go live, I'll just come ready with some, I don't know, some comedy act or some performance maybe that I can do. But right now, I'm just waiting for Vedant to join me. I mean, people requested Vedant. I'm not even sure if those who requested are still there. Arjun Kumar, yep. So one more tag. One more tag by Rohini. And Rohini is doing this wonderful job of tagging people so that they can come and see my masterpiece and have a great laugh. It's good. I mean, people should laugh. So do that. Actually, I'm still watching you. Oh, thank you. Thank you for watching me. And I just love that you guys are still watching the video. Arjun Kumar, he's jobless. He says, have assignments for him. Arjun Kumar, civil macha. We guys don't have any assignments. We're done with the semester. Oh, lab report. He may have one of the lab reports remaining. Arjun macha, one of the lab reports, I didn't do it properly. So the TA asked me to do it again. And since you copy my stuff, you need to do it again as well. So yeah, Arjun, one more lab report remaining now. Okay, so she belonged to your old school. No, old school. No one. Like I said, I haven't had any, so that's quite chill. Sahiti Srijana Akundi is watching. Okay, that's cool. I have 16 views right now. Adarsh Dadala is watching. Oh my god, Adarsh. If you are just scrolling through, fine. If you're watching this, Macha, hi da. Terror da. You remember it da. I was just waiting if you will comment that. Epic stuff da. Those were the days in Delhi. Epic dude. Terror da. How is life? I mean, I say some insane stuff by you. Cool stuff. So, yep. Srinidhi is watching. And there was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 from Rishika. And Rohini tags one more. Now it's Srinidhi. By the way, Rohini, for information, Srinidhi is already watching the video, so I don't think there's any point tagging her. But come around sometime. Good to see you, man. Sure, man. I'll try to come to Delhi. Should happen. I think next year. When I will come, I'll definitely give you a call. We'll have a blast. Hari Ramachandran, he has also been. Oh, Hari Ramachandran. He has also been Vamsi. Okay. I'm a stalker. Thanks for stalking, man, Vignesh. Everybody is a stalker, and we all stalk. It's like a quality we have developed after Facebook has just boomed. Your reaction every time I talk about her. About whom? Like, there is no one. Like, no one. A Rohini what? Okay, so now Srinidhi, I know you want to talk to Rohini, but okay, you're asking why she tagged you. Okay, fine. Yeah. Actually, Rohini, yep, what? Yeah, explain that why you have tagged Srinidhi in this. She's very curious to know that. Rohini, we're waiting for your reply here. Hey Macha, how are you? Tendulkar. Okay, so I have this friend called Tendulkar and his name is Tendulkar, not his surname. So quite a cool name. And Tendulkar Bhaskar. Hey Macha, how are you? I'm good. Like I said, just now finished my NSEMs. So I have vacation right now and chilling out. That's why I've gone live. I mean, you can see basically how chilled out I am. So can't I tag people for lulz? Of course you can. I'm not stopping you. Go ahead, tag whoever you want. It's quite cool. She is RGing. Oh, you guys have exam or something tomorrow? Like RGing? I think your exams are done, aren't they? Nikhil Damaraju. Okay. Nikita. Oh, you tagged Nikita as well. Nice. Publicity and girls. Bhavesh Kharbanda. Publicity and girls. How dude? Like I know publicity team of Sarang has girls. Maybe Shastra also has. That's the only relation I can find here. Srinidhi Bhavani. His NSEMs are over. Yeah, my NSEMs are over. Aren't your NSEMs over? Like, isn't G slot the last slot or something? Keep hiding, kid. Soon they'll all know. Oh, no one will know because there isn't any, so that's fine. Yep. I think I have been online for how long? How do I check how long I have been online for? I don't know. You are still live, huh? Hey Vedant! Hey nice, the Vedant, come in. Macha, come in fast. Like commenting was not in the room, huh? Come in fast. No BT people have full stops ma, punctuation marks podulla. No, full stop. BT people have till May 25th. M slot la irka ungalke. Okay. Then continue studying. Rohini, why you urging everybody? Day, I was on call for the last 20 minutes. Live since then. Yada, please come inside the room. People want to see you. Say hi and then pack. 16 minutes. Oh, thank you for telling me. Hey, Roy is watching. Rohini, thank you for the information. I really wanted to know how long I was online for, and somehow I don't know how to find that, but thanks a lot. I was busy on call. Okay, now the call is done, so come inside. I've called you 3 times. Rohini, I think he got the message. Don't make it any more obvious. Yes, Rohini, I got the message. Yes, Shreya, I got the message. So please go and prepare for an M slot. Lord Shreya, punctuation. Yeah. Actually, you could have put LOL, exclamation mark, and then punctuation, but that's fine. Fine. Now you have pissed me off. Night. Bye. Oh. Bye. What message? Would? Question mark. Rohini, what are you referring to here? Like, which message are you referring to? Or is there a reply to what I said, or to what Shreya said, or to what Srinidhi said? But then overall you have made this very lively and interactive. I think you are the only person who has commented like more than 5 times on this video, so thank you. And you have tagged some people, so which means I get more views. Oh, angry reaction by someone. Oh, sorry. Do you prefer women or children? Mama, definitely not a pedo da. So any day women. But why that question, like randomly? Shreya Swaminathan Harita, what message? Vamsi Krishna, what message? Srinidhi Bhavani, what message? Okay, I've slightly lost track of what you're doing here, Rohini, but Shreya, please to help me if you're still watching the video. Rohini has confused me with her questions. Please answer them, and meanwhile you guys can ask me any questions. If we just listened this much in class, I know Rohini, you have put so much of comments and you have listened so patiently to my video. Same attention in class with equal amount of notes and pakka S grade. I am preparing to end you with a smiley. Achha, that's so nice of you that you're even thinking about me, just planning to do something. That's great, but I seriously don't know what that means. Rohini, just because he's from I don't know what that means. Meanwhile, I still don't know where Vedant is. Vedant should be here. And I don't know why a lot of people are offline or what. Like Kaushik has not yet replied. Udit hasn't replied. Ram hasn't replied. Where is Ramdas? Hari? So I don't know. Giridhar has, but I don't know. He's become inactive again. Rohini run out of people to fangirl over or what? Surnamales is watching. Nitin Surnamales, hi da. How are you? How is Sri Lanka? Akash Ramdas tagged. Thank you for tagging Akash Ramdas. I hope he watches the video, likes it and shares. Subscribe to the channel. Don't you have work? No, Srinidhi, I don't have any work because I just now finished my end sems. Oh yeah, I have work from tomorrow. Our work session for Evolve starts tomorrow. Evolve is the department I work for in Shastra. Shastra, by the way, is the annual technical festival of IIT Madras, and Evolve is the coolest department of Shastra. I work in that, and we have like big work sessions from tomorrow onwards. So for tonight, I'm quite free, I guess. Ram Prakash, yay! Ram Prakash is another teammate of mine in Evolve. Abhiman, yes, Abhiman also is from Evolve. Go open your door, you will find a nasty surprise waiting for you. Vignesh, Mama, are you sure? Like, are you commenting on the right video? You're like slightly freaking me out now. I'll do it once I go offline. I'll open the door. I'll see what surprise are waiting for me. Argaja Shende is watching. No idea. Rohini, he's free tonight it seems. Ayyo. This is not what I meant. I meant I'm wetty for this evening. No, do it now. Macha, if I move right now, you'll have a look at the horrible view of Vedant Somani's room, which it doesn't want me to show. So I'll do it. It won't wait for long. What is there, dude? Like, what is there? Lulz. Thank you for the lulz. And since Vignesh wants me to go and open the door, I will do it once Vedant is here. Sure. By the way, Shastra is on 31st December of this year. So please come for Shastra. It's an amazing place to be. You'll have a look at great workshops, great exhibitions and great competitions. It will be a great experience. It won't matter for much longer. Your end is nearing, brother. Okay, I hope I just don't die, but if you're so sure. And the smiley, bro, like what? You say you're gonna kill me and you put a smiley here. Oh, that dramatic pause after horrible view of Rohini. Now, do you want him to get up and open the door? What's going on? What is there? I don't know. 31 minutes. Thank you, Rohini, for telling me that I've been boring you guys for half an hour. And I'll just go offline the moment I am bored myself as well. I'll come to Shastra. Thanks, Vignesh. Thanks for coming to Shastra. Bring your friends as well. Bring Shankara Janta. They're really cool. They're really creative. And I'm pretty sure you guys are going to rock in Shastra. So please bring all your friends. All Shankara, the entire Shankara gang. Bring everyone. Agarwal is watching. Agarwal, Macha, you found time. Thank you for watching. Thank you. You're publicizing to 14 people, dude. 16 now. It's 16. 15. There are 15 people watching this video. 16. And yep, I know the stats. I can see the number of people live. I can see people are commenting. People are liking. Except for how long I have been online. Which I can see, I guess. I will win all the competitions here. Sure, bro. Win all the competitions. You'll get Infi cash. If you win all the competitions, you may actually end up getting 1 lakh. I'm not even kidding. In fact, more than 1 lakh maybe. So yeah, do try, dude. That'll be really cool. Just might die. Everyone has to die, bro. We all have to. So there's no might. You have to die. The fuck, man. Yes, man. I am online. I am slightly crazy now. So like I said, NSEMs are done and I'm just peacing out. So let me know how this video is. Your suggestions are welcome. Criticism is also welcome, but please to give me positive feedback and positive comments. 33 minutes. No, I'll come alone and win everything. That's great. Oh, why come alone? Nah? Get your friends, win everything, and then show off. Show off your friends. I won everything. No. Okay, so to make it official, I don't drink, so definitely I'm not drunk. I don't smoke up, so I'm sober right now completely. Sachin Sridhar. Yep, thanks for tagging him. Sachin is a lovely fellow, lovely guy. I don't like Shankara. I am from CB. Okay. I think you're from Shankara, dude. No, you'll die the moment you open the door. Oh, in that case, I'll stay in my room. I'll ask my friends to check if there's something there, and then I'll open the door. This is a stunning video. Thanks, man. Thanks a lot. This is just an experiment. I'm not even sure what I'm doing. I'm just letting the instinct take over. Rohini, give him a positive feedback, da. Yep, definitely. Vedant Bhaiya, where is he? I don't know. Vedant is not here. I've called him. He's not. I don't know. I'll just see. I don't know. Vedant is not here. There's nothing outside your door, by the way. The guy is BSing you. Nitin, thanks a lot for going and checking if there's something outside my door. But for your kind information, that guy is not even from campus. He's not from Insti, so definitely there's nothing outside my door. Chamattu Payya. Thank you. I'm just kidding. From Shankara, or am I? Ooh. So looks like I need to stalk your profile, track your history, and then see if you're actually from Shankara or not. Vinay, what Bairi is watching? Nice. Thanks, man. Thanks for watching. Can anyone tell me how long I have been online for? I don't have a track, or I don't know when I started, so I don't know. Okay, 17 views now. That's the highest I've hit in the past 40 minutes of pointless, I don't know, talk. 13 now. Ooh, suddenly 4 people went. Oh, sorry, man. Ramya, sorry, Rohini dared me. Okay. 37. Oh, thanks for the info, Srinidhi. Let me know when it is 45, I think I'll be done. It's 11 now. No, it's 12, dark 12. Not bad. 37, 45 I think should do. 45 minutes of pointless ranting is enough for one day, I guess. 10, lol, all time high. It was 0 when I started off, okay. So anything is infinity times better than what it was when I started off. It's 10 now. Yeah, it's actually 10. 9. Ayyo, people got bored. So what I realized is I think I should stop it when it was 30 minutes, I guess. 12 now. Again, it's improving. And there are people commenting, reacting. That's nice. I'm still waiting for Vedant. That's the only last thing remaining for today. Vedant is here. Vedant. Yeah. Hey, Vedant is here. Yeah. Vedant, please sit here.
Why?
People,
What's happening?
Avanti Janta want to say hi to you, Saurabh, Prakash, and everyone. So this is Vedant.
Hello.
And Vedant, and we are right now in his room. In fact, my first live I did was on Vedant's profile.
It's okay, babe.
So go check out Vedant. Go check out Vedant Somani's profile, and please like that video as
just
well.
cause to say that you are much more famous than me. There's
No.
no comments on my this.
No, not like that. And right now Vedant, and this beanbag is also Vedant's courtesy. So,
But it's not mine.
it's not yours. It's Murli's. Murli, thank you for the क्या बोलते हैं? Beanbag. Okay. 11 now.
अबे 40 मिनट से बैठा है.
Okay, 40 मिनट हो गया है तो वेदांत is like इससे बहुत हो गया भाई बस कर. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like it, please like it. If you don't like it, still like it or react to it. You can put an angry reaction also and
Like,
comment.
share and subscribe.
Like, share. This is subscribe because I don't have a channel. But yeah, I may start a channel of my own soon. So do give me ideas on what kind of videos I should make for my YouTube channel, and you can also suggest a name for it. So suggest a name and the type of channel I should make on YouTube. Yep, I'm done. So peace.